Data protection, yellow and green blinking lights. If the bay lights are flashing green and yellow, your Drobo's in data protection mode. Data protection is a perfectly normal process. For a quick reference of what all the Drobo lights do, refer to the back of the faceplate. Data protection can occur for different reasons, such as if you add a drive into Drobo, or if you remove a drive from Drobo, if you replace a drive in Drobo. Data protection will also occur if a drive has accumulated bad blocks. Drobo will then map your data around the bad blocks to keep your data safe. Often we are asked, how long will data protection run? The data protection process is at approximately 24 hours per terabyte. Drobo dashboard will advise you that data protection is in progress and will also include the approximate time remaining for data protection to complete. During the data protection, you can continue to use the Drobo. You can copy data to and from the Drobo. It is okay to disconnect Drobo from the computer. However, the Drobo must remain powered on in order to complete this process. During the data protection, you cannot add or remove any other drive from Drobo. When the data protection is complete, the drive bay lights will stop flashing and all the bay lights will turn solid green. It is now safe to shut down Drobo from the Tools menu in Drobo Dashboard. For added protection, we do recommend you enable dual disk redundancy. Dual disk redundancy will protect you against two drives failing at the same time. For additional resources, visit myproducts.drobo.com.